Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arum Rida Saputri Sinaga. Just call me Risa. And this opportunity, we're going to talk about longest common and increasing subsequence. Let me introduce our member. First, there is Arum Rida Saputri Sinaga, and it's me. The second is Ray Adil Sitohang. The third, Irfan Alfianto Sesaraman. And right now we're going to talk about data structure. What is data structure? A data structure is a data organization, control, and storage format in computer science that allows for easy access and alteration. A data structure in more technical term is a list data values, the relationship, and the function or operation that can be applied to the data. The second there is algorithm. Do you guys know about algorithm? An algorithm is a sequence of instructions that are programmed to execute a particular process to produce a desired result. Algorithms are often written as a function in computer program, and this function act as a mini programs that can be called by a larger program. The third, there is dynamic program. Dynamic program is an optimization technique that breaks down a complex problem into a series of simpler problems. Its a key feature is the multi-stage simplicity of the optimization process. Dynamic program, rather than the previous optimization methods, offers a general methods for evaluating a wide range of problem types. And the next part, Ray Adil Sitohang will explain about it.
Hello, my name is Ray Adil Sitohang and I'm going to continue Arum's presentation. Optimal substructure. If an optimal solution contains optimal subsolution, then a problem exhibits optimal substructure. Overlapping subproblem is when a recursive algorithm will visit the same subproblems repeatedly, then a problem has overlapping subproblems. Problems are divided into stages with decision required at each stage. Each stage has a number stage corresponds to the start of the stage. The result of each stage are transformed into another stage. The completion procedure is designed for optimal results. The optimal result of a stage is not related to the previous stage. The completion procedure starts from the last stage. If a problem has an optimal substructure, we can define an optimal solution recursively. If a problem has overlapping subproblems, a recursive implementation may be improved by computing each subproblem just once. There is no reason for defining a recursive algorithm to find optimal solution. If a problem lacks optimal substructure, we have little to benefit by using dynamic programming. If a problem does not have competing subproblems, dynamic programming can be much more effective than recursion if the space of subproblem is large enough. The longest rising subsequence problem is computer science. In computer science is to find a subsequence of a given sequence whose elements are ordered from lowest to highest and whose subsequence is as long as possible. The subsequence is not required to be contiguous or exclusive. The longest common subsequence or LCS is defined as the longest subsequence that is shared by all the given subsequence, provided that the subsequence elements do not have to occupy consecutive positions within the original sequence. Edit distance is a calculation of how dissimilar two strings, example words, are to one another in computational linguistics and computer science. It is determined by calculating the amount of operation needed to turn one string into the other. Thank you for listening.
The method of LCS and LS. Longest common subsequence. Longest common subsequence is a problem in finding commons the longest of several sequence. Subsequence of a string is a set of characters that are in the same sequence of occurrence. Longest increasing subsequence. The longest increasing subsequence problem is to find the length of the longest sequence of a given sequence such that all elements of the subsequence are sorted in an increasing order. A subsequence is derived from an array by deleting a few of its elements and not changing the other of remaining elements. Characterization of LCS and LS. Longest common subsequence of two strings is the longest sequence of characters that appear in the same order in both strings. For example, the LCS of Hello World and Bonjour le Monde is OORLD. If you go through both strings from left to right, you'll find that the characters OORLD appear in both strings in that order. Other possible subsequences are ED and OLD, but these are all shorter than OORLD. Long increasing subsequence. Suppose there is an integer sequence S of n length, when start n is long increasing length of subsequence from start to n. Count start n is number of longest increasing length of subsequence from start to n. Necessary condition of LCS and LS. Longest common subsequence. If S1 and S2 are the two given subsequence, then Z is the common subsequence of S1 and S2 if Z is a subsequence of both S1 and S2. Furthermore, Z must be a strictly increasing sequence of the indices of both S1 and S2. Long increasing subsequence. We try to compute length and count of subsequence the subsequent length from 2 to n. We add the constraint 1 that last character of subsequence must be the last character of longest increasing subsequence in it. Methods for handling LCS and LES. Longest common subsequence. Create a table of dimension n plus 1, m plus 1, where n and m are the length of x and y respectively. The first row and the first column are filled with zeros. Initialize a table. To fill each cell of the table using the following logic. 3. If the character corresponding to the current row and current column are matching, then fill the current cell by adding 1 to the diagonal element. Point on the row to the diagonal cell. 4. Else take the maximum value from the previous column and previous row element for filling the current cell. Point on a row to the cell with maximum value. If they are equal, point to any of them, fill the values. 5. Step 2 is repeat until the table is filled. Fill all the values. 6. The value in the last row and the last column is the length of the longest common subsequence. The bottom right corner is the length of the LCS. 7. In order to find the longest common subsequence, start from the last element and follow the direction of the row. The elements corresponding to symbol from the longest common subsequence create a path according to the rows. 8. Thus the longest common subsequence is CD. Longest increasing subsequence. We will need to use a helper function to ease our implementation. 1. Declare and initialize a variable max ans with 1 because a single element is a subsequence of length 1. For each index from 0 to n1, find the maximum LES ending at that index using our helper function LES ending here. The helper function accepts the array and cur index. We need to find the LES ending at cur. The best case here is cur 0, only subsequence of length at this point consisting of the first element itself. 5. For the recursion, iterate from cur 1 to index 0 and for all elements less than current element. Recursively call this helper function and update as per need. Prevention of LCS and LES. Longest common subsequence, providing an efficient solution to highlight discrepancies between two genetic maps. The LCS of two maps, being the largest set of their collinear markers, is used as a building block to compute pairwise map congruence. To visually emphasize maker polymerity and in some scaffolding methods relying on genetic maps to improve genome assembly. Longest increasing subsequence. We can also this problem in a bottom-up in a manner. In the bottom-up approach, solve smaller sub-problems first, then solve larger sub-problems from them. Thank you.